Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 9. Subject name is Engineering Mathematics, topic is Calculus, and it's a 1 marks problem. The question says that find the C of the Rolle's theorem. It's a problem of Rolle's theorem in which the function is defined in the range of 0 to pi. So if you just check the value of function in the initial limit f0, it is e raised to power 0 sine of 0, which is 0, so it is a 0. And the value of pi is the value of function at pi is e raised to the power pi, and again sine pi, which is again 0. And Rolle's theorem says that if you have two distinctive root in your range, if you have two solution of the equation in which the value of the equation is same, then there must be at least one solution, one C will going to exist for which your f dash C is going to 0, right? So we need to find the solution for C for which the f dash C is equal to 0. So I think first thing is we need to find out the f dash, which is the first derivative of the expression. So we need to apply the differentiation by part. So differentiation of the exponential is exponential only into sine x plus e raised to power x and cos x, right? So I need to equate this thing. Just make f dash C is equal to 0. So replace x with C. You will have e raised to power C, e raised to power C sine C plus cos C is 0. E raised to power C can't be equal to 0 because it only equate to 0 at minus infinity, which is not finite value. So for finite value e raised to power C can't be 0. So my sine C plus cos C must be equal to 0, which means that my tan C plus 1 is equal to 0. It means that tan C is equal to minus 1, or C is equal to tan inverse of minus 1, which is the solution C is equal to 3 pi by 4. So it means that the value of C is 3 pi by 4, which is option number B. So my option number B is the value of C, which is the right option for this question. Thank you.